Hey everyone, welcome back to the SkillCareer channel. If you've ever wondered how websites actually get people to visit them, or what the terms organic and non-organic traffic mean in digital marketing, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of web traffic, breaking it down in a super simple way. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only what these traffic sources are, but also how they impact your online presence and how to use them to grow your website or business. So grab a coffee or your favorite snack and let's jump right in. First things first, what is web traffic? In simple terms, web traffic refers to all the people who visit your website. Think of your website like a shop in a big city. Some people walk in because they saw an ad, some because they Googled something and your site popped up, and some because a friend sent them a link. Each of those visitors represents a different traffic source. Two of the most important types are organic and non-organic traffic. Let's break those down. Organic traffic is when someone finds your website naturally without paid promotions. Usually this happens through search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. For example, let's say someone searches for how to bake a chocolate cake, and your blog post on chocolate cake recipes shows up. If they click and land on your site, that's organic traffic. You didn't pay Google to show your link. It just came up because your content was relevant and helpful. The beauty of organic traffic is that it's free. Well, not free in effort, but free in cost. You'll need to invest time in creating quality content, optimizing it for search engines, that's SEO, and making sure your website is easy to use. But once you start ranking, the traffic comes in without you spending money on ads. Non-organic traffic, also called paid traffic, is when visitors come to your site because of advertisements. This could be through Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram-sponsored posts, YouTube ads, or even promoted tweets. Basically, you're paying for visibility. For example, let's say you have an online store selling handmade candles. You run a Facebook ad targeting people who like home decor and wellness. Someone clicks your ad and lands on your site. That's non-organic traffic. You paid Facebook to bring that visitor to you. Paid traffic can be incredibly effective if done right. It brings quick results, is easy to scale, and allows you to target very specific audiences. But of course, it costs money. If you're not careful, you can end up spending a lot without seeing great results. That's why it's important to understand how and when to use it. So, what's better? Organic or non-organic traffic? The truth is, both have their strengths and should be part of a balanced digital marketing strategy. Organic traffic is great for long-term results. It builds credibility, trust, and authority. People tend to trust organic results more than ads. Plus, it keeps bringing in visitors long after the content is published. Non-organic traffic, on the other hand, is perfect for immediate impact. Launching a product? Need leads quickly? Running a campaign with a deadline? Paid traffic can deliver results fast. In the best digital strategies, marketers use both. You use organic methods to build a solid foundation, and you use paid methods to amplify your reach, test ideas, and scale. Let's talk a bit more about where organic traffic actually comes from. Search engines: Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo. This is where SEO plays a huge role. Social media: if someone shares your post and their followers click it, that's technically organic. Direct traffic: sometimes people type your URL directly. This might be because they remember your brand or bookmarked your site. Referral traffic: if another website links to your blog or article and people click that link, that's also considered organic. To increase organic traffic, focus on content creation, keyword research, on-page SEO, link building, and user experience. It's a marathon, not a sprint, but the payoff is worth it. Now, on the flip side, here are some popular sources of non-organic traffic. Google ads, paid search results, display network, shopping ads. Facebook and Instagram ads, great for targeting users based on interests, behaviors, and demographics. YouTube ads, perfect for video-based campaigns and brand awareness. LinkedIn ads, excellent for B2B and professional services. Sponsored posts or collaborations. influencer marketing, or paying for guest posts. To make paid traffic work for you, learn about PPC, pay-per-click, CPM, cost per thousand impressions, retargeting, and conversion tracking. Here's a simple rule of thumb. Use organic when you're building long-term traffic, brand authority, and want to minimize costs. Use non-organic when you're launching something, need traffic fast, or are testing a new offer. Many successful marketers use organic traffic as their backbone, and then layer paid traffic on top to scale their efforts quickly. If you're just starting out, begin with organic. Start a blog, create YouTube videos, post on LinkedIn, or open an Instagram account. Use relevant keywords. Engage with your audience. Learn SEO basics, things like meta titles, descriptions, alt tags for images, and internal linking. It takes time, but it's the best way to build trust with your audience. Plus, you're building assets that will continue to bring in traffic long after they're created. Once you're ready to explore paid traffic, start small. Set a clear goal. Do you want sales, leads, signups, or brand awareness? Choose one platform to start, like Facebook or Google Ads, and set a daily budget. Test different creatives, headlines, and audiences. Watch what works and scale what's performing. Remember, paid ads are like turning on a faucet. You get traffic as long as you pay. That's why optimizing your offer and landing page is key. So let's go even deeper into the psychology behind organic and non-organic traffic. Why do people trust organic results more? The answer lies in user intent. When users search for something on Google and click a result that isn't marked as an ad, they feel that it's been recommended by Google based on relevance and authority. That trust factor is huge in digital marketing. Organic results are viewed as earned, not bought. When a piece of content ranks organically, it's a result of effort, relevance, and credibility. It shows that the content is valuable, informative, and has been vetted by algorithms designed to prioritize user value. That's why SEO is so important. It helps build that organic authority over time. Now, let's contrast that with non-organic traffic. Paid ads interrupt. They appear in your feed, your stories, your YouTube video, or even your inbox. While they can be tailored to your interests, the user didn't necessarily ask for them. That doesn't mean they're not effective. When done right, they're incredibly powerful. But there's a reason many people scroll past or skip ads unless the creative is compelling or the offer irresistible. One advantage of non-organic traffic is data. With paid campaigns, you can collect data quickly. You can see which demographics respond to which creatives, which ad placements perform best, and how your audience behaves post-click. That kind of insight can be hard to get from organic alone. And when you combine these insights with your organic content strategy, you can create a synergy that multiplies your results. Let's talk strategy. Imagine you're launching a new course. You start with SEO-focused blog posts to target key search queries. You also create YouTube videos and share them on social media to build awareness. That's your organic foundation. Then, you boost your top-performing content with Facebook and Google Ads, targeting specific users who are likely to enroll. Now, you're using paid traffic to amplify what's already working organically. This combination, organic and paid, also helps mitigate risk. Algorithms change. Rankings fluctuate. Ad costs go up. But when you rely on both types of traffic, your business isn't overly dependent on any one channel. So how do you track success? With organic, look at metrics like keyword rankings, organic sessions, bounce rate time on site, backlink growth. With non-organic, measure click-through rates, CTR, cost per click, CPC, conversion rates, return on ad spend, ROAS, impressions and reach. Over time, you'll learn what works best for your niche, your audience, and your goals. The key is consistency. Keep testing, learning, and optimizing. Digital marketing isn't a one and done, it's a cycle. And there you have it. Organic versus non-organic traffic explained in plain English. Whether you're just starting your online journey or looking to improve your current strategy, Understanding your traffic sources is absolutely key to success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to SkillCareer, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future videos. Have any questions or want us to cover a specific topic? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and we'll see you in the next one.